Go.
Welcome to My Big Campus. This is going to be a preview of some of the details and information that we have available to use on My Big Campus. This is new to our district, so here's a few tips that you can use for this segment. First, on this screen you'll see a login, and it has a video there available for you to play and get some information. And there's several videos that help you along the way as you go through this learning process. Go ahead and click onto my actual screen. Once I've logged in, you have an activity page. This activity page is different postings from different students or yourself or other teachers that are part of your groups. The first thing that you have is EduTalk. EduTalk is available for teachers to get information and share ideas amongst each other. The students do not have this as part of their resource. If you scroll back up, we have the next thing, Conversations. I'm not going to click into that right now, but it's just like an email system. The next one is Schoolwork. Schoolwork is where the students are able to get the information that you upload. So here's some of my previous things, quizzes and different assignments. You click on Add New Schoolwork, and you have various options here. You have assignments, quizzes, practice quiz, surveys, polls, simple assignments, all these choices that you can upload, and it will do a grading process for you for the quizzes as well. Under Needs Grading, it has the information that's been graded, or you can put your score in and then give a comment back to your students about how well they've done or not, and then they can actually resubmit the work for you after that. Assigned to You is what the students would see. They would have an assignment like this, a quiz that needs submitted, and they would have it assigned to them. These are all the options under Schoolwork. Under the home page up here, it takes you back to that same first page where you can get more information. The next thing I would like to share is bundles. Bundles are different options for you to go in of different teachers and people have put this information out there. Let's look at this one, science, for instance. If this is something that you're teaching, you can look in here. It's about weathering, and it has different videos available to you. At times, there also would be PowerPoints and other Word documents or Excel documents that are available as activities as well. You can also go into your bundles, and you can upload different ones that you're using. If you have gone in to explore other bundles that you like that somebody else has created, you're able to share that with them if they have it open as a bundle to share. Or you can go to create your own new bundle, and it allows you to go in and set up the entire bundle yourself at that point. I'm going to click back on the home page. And one part of the thing I didn't mention under Schoolwork is, and as bundles, it is, if you could click back on bundles for me, it allows you to look by the actual exploring under Create New Ones. And under your Schoolwork, it allows you to do it by content, your standards, you get to put a cover art, and you just choose who gets to collaborate with you or who gets to view this bundle as well. Same is the case with any of your schoolwork that you create. All right, we'll go back up to the home page again. Under your stuff, the next one, it allows you to upload all different kinds of files. You can have photos, files, YouTube videos, websites, all of your resources, and it saves it in an endless amount of space for you to share your information for yourself. It's like a cloud of your information. The next thing, and you also can add it to your bundle here too as well if you have something that's in your list already. The next thing we're going to look at is your calendar. Your calendar is your personal calendar, but it also then shares with your different classes. So this is my personal calendar. I have different ones based on assignments, other group calendars, and you'll see in a moment what it looks like if you're a member of one of my classes. The next part of My Big Campus is you have a blog. A blog is available for you to set up for yourself or your students. On here, this is your profile. It has information about yourself. You can have followers. You can also have people who are following you. And this is your wall, different students writing messages to you, or information that you're creating among your followers. You also can upload a different icon as you wish for your own profile as you go along. The next part of this is groups. You have pre-populated groups based on your classes related to your current attendance sheets. And you also can set up groups. So my other classes are working on a collaboration project, and they have their own groups set up. So I'm first going to look at my leadership class and what they would see. They have different announcements you could post. We have currently a discussion going on. Let's click in here. And the students are going to be working on collaborating some ideas based on our red ribbon activities that are coming up for October 23rd. We also have a calendar. Let's look up the calendar. And last month we were quite busy on, let's click back into September, and we had posted all of the different activities that they had going on for Cougar Olympics. So it's a great way to have all of your resources available to you directly. And they can also then go in and create events. It's very simple to use this feature, and it's a great way to see what's happening in your classes. I'm going to click on, let's go down here, click down to, let's go to period 3, and choose one, period 3, go down a little more, there we go, let's choose one of these groups here, that's perfect. Period 3, group 3. This group is working on a collaboration project, and what they have is they have different discussions going on amongst themselves, and they're doing a debate on posting their apps, and then they're sharing their discussion as they go along. And they have more discussions. If you click right here, share more discussions, it should come up with some others. This posting, on this group, they don't have another one yet. So they're just starting to post their ideas and vote. It's a great way for them to not have to be near each other at the same classroom or anything like that at the same time, and they can still talk and communicate with each other. All right, let's go back on up. We can click on our, one more thing here. Let's click on members. That will tell you who's a member of that group. So you'll know exactly who is a part of it or not. And only the people who are in that group or in the district that you're in your classroom, for instance, are the only people who can see Computer 6A. If you are somebody from the outside, you cannot see into our network of students. You'll never be able to see the members. You would be able to, if you have a link to our website as a parent, you could see different things like our calendar and some of our school assignments. However, this part of it is just available for the students within our district, and that is why My Big Campus is a protected network. So let's go back up to the top here, and it's just as easy as at the end, if you are clicking out, you would end up logging out here, but let's not log out quite yet. And right here is where you would get your request. Right next to it, I have 2 requests, and I'd have to fulfill those requests. Sometimes it's just they need to have something to join a group. That's how easy it is for a teacher to add a request to a group or another thing within My Big Campus. So going back to the home page, in this you do have lots of resources available, and I hope that this is just a little preview of what's available and the fun that you can have with your students, and it's a great learning platform for My Big Campus. Thank you very much.